Human rights are global rights. I mean, and they are. I don't think that we need to wait to be granted the human rights. I think we were born with these rights. Unfortunately, I mean, these were like, if you like, manipulated throughout the world because maybe of hunger, because of poverty, because of wealth. But human rights are human rights. To treat each other equally and to look at each other with an open eye, accepting the other, whatever they are, in terms of wealth, in terms of race, religion, or nationality.
Human rights for me are the most basic rights that a human being can have to live in proper conditions, like the right to life, the right to freedom, the right to movement, the right to have a house, the right to have a place for their own. So for me, human rights is the most basic things that a human being can have to live in dignifying conditions.
Human rights for me first should serve me first as a person with disability, but in reality it harms. There is no facility, no respect for a person with disabilities here for his or her right in this country, no access streets, no access stores.
Human rights are the basis of our society for me. It means that people have the chance to be protected in case of violation. It means that people can appeal to something in case that this violation happens, and it's like the basic rules of our society.
Human rights is for me is that rights for everyone, for males, for female, for whites, for blacks, for everyone.
Human rights for me are just a construct, a way to attempt to codify what it means to be a decent human being, a decent person, to live in a place of fairness, of peace and equality. I think human rights are just an attempt to have some kind of goal for us to move towards.
Human rights for me are those principles that every human being should have and have the right to have. So, right to live, right to express yourself, like to be yourself.
We all need to, first of all, know them, and that we all need that our government all over the world and international community to respect them.
I don't know that there is a lot of rights in Palestine because of the occupation and of the situation, but I hope in the future it will be rights for all.